Stream TV. No eating of the buff. Big up.
Yeah.
God loving people. And a God bless you from birth. And always prosperous. And remember, no eating of the buff.
Buff.
That's
Brawling.
a debate and an illustration.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Welcome. Yeah. And see you pot up on the fire. So if you see the pot on the fire, you know, say trouble we are gonna deal with. Not really trouble, we are gonna cook some food. So guys, we're gonna cook some pumpkin rice and we're gonna cook some pulley beef with it, is it? Then call that corned beef for Jamaica, so you can get it all over the world, anywhere in the world. So see guys, that type of rice and we get this it. So this is the rice and we use. This is about pound and a half or so. This is corned beef and we use. This is pumpkin. Pretty out of a fridge it come from, guys. From a tree and get it. Alright guys, so I'm going to season them and cut up to see them. So I'm going to show you them, so I will cut them up and you see them. Onion, I'm not use all of them. I use one tomato, one onion, and one pepper. So guys, see you on the journey. Yeah guys, so I'm doing my pumpkin rice now. I peel the pumpkin. Then me put them into boil it. Up dice them up like this. So make slice. Okay, I get a nice little chunk like them. Rice. Yeah. Slice them up like this. Nice size, you know? Very size. Yes guys, I'm throwing the pumpkin now. Throwing it up a bit here. You know, so I give that look of time for soft, you know, so go give it about 10 minutes and when it gets soft. I will give it about 15 minutes and it gets soft. I just throw in the rice, you see it? Because when you set it on, it's some salt already, you see me? So guys, stay tuned to the process and remember, you know guys, in the video you got one like, you see it? Yeah, and subscribe. Remember to subscribe, please. Yes, guys. So I check it out. Oh, the pumpkin one. Must have gone good. Still, see there, them are going good. And now they're going good. You see them are crush out as they go so. So you know it's a rice time, guys. Oh, you know it goes. See it? Watch the process me and the rice. Now wash the rice and come throw it to you now. So look. Yes, guys, I check it back now. Checking. Then look. And I'm off a pepper, you see it? Don't even done, guys. So the beef and all guys. So the night cooking here, guys. So my voice on well low. So you see that? Well nice, guys. So I'm gonna do the meat kind, you know. So stay tuned. Yes, guys. So you see there. So cut up. You don't see how I cut up. I put piece of garlic in it, guys. So cut up tomato, onion, pepper, garlic. So guys, I'm throwing the oil now. So take a look on the pot now. Yes, guys, throwing the seasoning, man. Oh. Cut that seasoning, guys. I gotta make the seasoning get soft to it. And then throw in the beef, see it? Yeah. In that. The one for the chewing in. So I have stay tuned to that, guys. You see it? Yeah, guys. I sew down frying as well. Done for chewing the bully beef. That's how you guys know it as corn beef. You see it? At Jamaica yard, man, they call it boy beef. Right, so the full wool beef, no? So I take out the key like this. I turn it upside down. Like this. I go like this, I put it right down to the end. Turn it. turn it. Right on. Turn it, guys. Turn it. No people can do this thing, guys. No people can pull a wood with this thing. Right on. That. Stick our top. And do like this. So you know you got the skill, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yes, guys, so make this steam down, look. You know, so after that steam down, look, you know, so take me and take it off, is it? And just gonna make it steam for about 2 minutes or about 3 minutes. Okay, you know, the corned beef cooker, this, you know, have to cook it out well out. See it? Watch it now, guys. See when we share. Yes, guys, I'm gonna take it off now for sure, okay. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, I'm gonna take it off now, guys, and you're gonna see the sharing though. So, give thanks. And remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Remember the channel is young and grow. Whole heap of people are watch, but now subscribe. But I will give you some more great content, so now I go consider for subscribe. So respect, guys. Yes, guys. Done the food, don't know, so it look pretty. Pretty. You know, the pretty, that's nice. Just right. Got to see. Nice, guys. Nice. Yeah, man, if you try this, man. Tastes so good. Juice. this with it. Guys.